Honey, I'm telling you.
What's up, honey? I am kbenatural, aka Zakia. If you are new to this, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanted to be shouted out in my next video, make sure that you are following my Instagram. Make sure you're following my Twitter. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You have to be active on all platforms, meaning you have to share, like, comment, DM me, whatever, so we can just get to know each other and just build a community with each other, and I will shout you out in my next video. The rules are below, so make sure you read the rules below because I do want to make sure that I shout you out correctly, and I want to shout you out on whatever platform that you want to be shouted out on. So today I am going to be doing a product review on the Melanin Hair Care products. I do have the trio, so I have the leave-in conditioner, I have the pure blend oil, and then I also have the Twist-Elongating Cream. So I'm going to show you today how I achieved this wash and go with those products. Now, you're gonna see me in the video talk about what I honestly think of those products. I'm not giving you a false review. I'm literally being 100% honest and telling you how I feel about these products. Now, it's up to you if you want to go out and buy the products or not. I will highly recommend it, but I will go over that in the video. So let's get right into it. So I'm starting off with the Melanin leave-in conditioning. This is what it looks like. Comes in this bottle here. It smells, I can already tell y'all, I smelled it before. It smells so good. It literally smells like peppermint or spearmint. I looked at the ingredients and it did have spearmint in here. This is the multi-use pure blend oil. I'm going in with this to seal all of the moisture in my hair. I am going in with this beauty here. This is a Twist Elongating Style Cream. This has shea butter and a bunch of other natural oils. I did smell this as well. It does not have a smell to it, so if you are looking for a smell out of a cream, this one does not have one. It smells like shea butter a little bit, but for the most part, I can't really smell nothing at all, which I'm okay with. I don't need to be smelling like a peppermint or a tea tree or anything like that. So it's all good with me. The consistency is so thick. It's very, very whipped. I know that Whitney has done DIYs in the past and she's posted it on her channel. I'm thinking that this is probably where this resonated from. This is a cream only wash and go. I am not using gels. I actually tried a previous wash and go last week and I didn't use a gel and I loved it. So I don't know if gels are my thing, but we about to see with this cream, okay? Ooh, that rhyme, girl. My hair is freshly washed, deep conditioning, all of that stuff. I'm going to just part my hair into sections. So what I'm gonna do is just wet this entire section with my spray bottle, and then I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna put my leave-in conditioner in first before I do anything else. Get that nice and soaked. So I put about this much on my hands and I'm just gonna rub it in. It smells freaking great. It smells so good. It does feel really good on my hair, I can say that. And then after the leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna go in with the aloe vera juice. I like to use aloe vera juice. It makes it feel so moisturized. It's really good for scalp care. If you are having trouble with dandruffs or anything like that, aloe vera juice is really good for scalp care. I took about 2 pumps of the leave-in conditioner and just spread it all over my hair. You guys, this leave-in conditioner smells so good, honey. She showed out with the leave-in conditioner smell. I literally never smelled a conditioner or any type of hair product that has like a spearmint type of smell. It smells that good. And then I'm just adding the aloe vera juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up for this side of my head. I'm gonna come back on camera so I can put in the twist out cream for the wash and go. And we're gonna see how that twist out cream does with our curls. We're gonna see. Am I gonna need a gel? We'll see. I can say about this leave-in conditioner is that I'm low porosity and it's kind of still sitting on top of my hair after I rub it in. I don't know if you could still see a little bit of it. It's like sitting on the top of my hair. So you would really have to, if you're low porosity, to rub this in because it's not like melting away in my head. So that's a downside about this one, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. The moment we all been waiting for, I'm about to use this Twist Elongating Cream for my wash and go. I really hope that it comes out okay. I've seen her do it on her channel and it seems like it comes out fine, but let's see if it works for me. So I'm just gonna take a detangler brush to make sure that everything is smoothed out. Okay, girl, you ready, honey? We about to see if this is going to work. I'm about to seal in the moisture with the Pure Oil Blend. It's a very light oil, so I'm gonna just seal that in. And then I am going to add the cream. Why am I so excited about this cream? I'm like over here having a field day about this cream. This cream is buildable, so we're gonna start off small. So I'm gonna take about this much and then rub it in my hands, and we're gonna do like that. Let's add. We might be getting somewhere. Honey, I am low porosity, so you see how it's just sitting there. But we're gonna work it in. I'm gonna take some more cream. So this is what we're working with so far. I'm gonna get up closer so you can see. Still sitting there on top of my head. But I'm hoping that that will go away. Now, if you're high porosity or if you're in the middle, then you might not have anything to worry about. But I know for low porosity, adding a little more. So make sure to add some to the roots. I'm not looking for like any extra definition. I really just want a nice looking fluffy wash and go. So what I might have to do is add a gel. Now this is a Twist Elongating Cream, so it really might just work for twist outs, braid outs, whatever, and now for wash and go. But I have seen her use this as like a wash and go. I'm about to just take a spy look real quick in the mirror to see if this is a look that I even want to go for, or if I need to add gel. Be right back. I don't think I could just do a cream. I am going to add my favorite gel so far. This is the Eco Styling Gel. This is the one with the black castor and flaxseed oil in it. So I'm gonna use this for definition because if you see here, it's slightly curling, but it's, that cream literally just might be for twist outs and braid outs. For wash and go, I need some definition. So my thoughts on the cream so far is I would try it with a twist out or something like that where I have to literally like protect my hair for a little bit. As far as a wash and go, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. But for now, we just gonna go ahead and add this gel. But that oil though, you see that shine? It's lit. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the gel. I am done applying everything to my hair. I applied the Melanin leave-in conditioner, the Melanin Cure oil blend, and then the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. This one right here, I applied that as well. I personally, for a wash and go, am not a fan of the elongating cream. Maybe it's not meant for a wash and go, but it definitely left some residue there. The oil defined my curls more than the cream did, more than the leave-in conditioner did, which is very, very weird. But other than that, I would use these products again, of course, but honey, I will use them for something else, like a twist out or a braid out, like I keep saying, because it's just don't seem like it's meant for a wash and go. This is the finalized look. I did add the black castor oil eco style gel, so this is how it looks. And I'm gonna let this dry, air dry, and then I will come back to you once it's done drying so you can see the final results. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said in the beginning, this is the wash and go that I achieved with those products. This is probably one of my favorite wash and goes. It is literally the best wash and go. I actually did a new method. I air dried. I did not get under the dryer. I did not use a diffuser or a blow dryer. I seriously just air dried my hair, and it is so fluffy, honey. Like, girl, do you see the definition? Do you see the curls and coils? This is the fluffiest wash and go I've ever had, and it still gives me length. So I will highly recommend those products. The Twist Elongating Cream, when I was applying it, I wasn't really feeling it, but as you see, it has literally gave this wash and go some length. I mean, I did do the banding method and all of that other good stuff. I really didn't have to do any like breaking of the cream cast or anything like that. It just melted away in my hair as the day went on. So as you see, I'll get closer. I was having products like over here in this area, and I'm not sure if it was like over here in this area, but I know it was really over here. It wasn't an issue once everything dried. My hair is super soft. I can tell you the oil was probably my favorite. The oil is seriously more of a curl activator. It defined my curls, it gave me shine, all of that, and I was like super happy with that. That is all for this video today. I really hope you enjoyed the Melanin Hair Care products tutorials and reviews. If you want to see more product reviews, please like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this wash and go, baby.